In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your own Minecraft server and run it on your PC or laptop. Let's get into it. First things first, you'll want to look up Minecraft Server Edition or head to the first link in the description, and then you'll end up on Minecraft's official server website. From here, you want to click download Minecraft server. It'll be whatever version is the latest, and then you're going to click download and let that download. After this, you're going to go on the internet and search up Java Oracle. I'll put this link down in the description. Download Java and let it install and install it. Now that you've got that installed, make a new folder on your desktop and just call this whatever you want. For me, I'm going to call it Minecraft server. Open this, open a new tab, then drag and drop your file into here. Then what you want to do is double click on the server file and you'll see that a bunch of new files will pop up. You'll have libraries, logs, versions, EULA and server. What you'll want to do is open the EULA, change this to true, and hit Ctrl S to save that. And now your server should be working for one person, or just the local setup. If you want it to go online, you'll need to open command prompt. From here, you want to type in ipconfig, ipconfig. That will give you a lot of your internet data and the numbers you'll need to use for later. Next, you want to go to Chrome again and type in your default gateway. For me, that's 10.1.1.1. From here, you need a username and password. Now this can actually be found on the back of your router if you've got the one from your internet company. If not, try and find it, or you can probably just contact your internet company and they can give you your username and password. Now from here you'll see a lot of boxes and it may look confusing at first, but you'll want to try and find WAN services or something that says port forwarding. For me, it's under WAN services. From here you want to add a new IPv4 protocol. So name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Minecraft. Then you want to make it TCP/UDP, which is both of them. And then for the WAN port and the LAN port, you want to put in the number 25565 for both of them. Now this is because it's the default LAN port that Minecraft uses in the server properties file, but you can change this to whatever you like. Just make sure that it matches the one in the Minecraft properties file. And then you can have your destination IP as your IPv4. So come back over to your command prompt and you should be able to see your IPv4 address and simply copy that into your destination IP. And click add and you should be good to go. After this, come back to your folder and open the server file. It should have a notepad next to it as its icon. Then you'll want to scroll down until you find server IP. Now this is going to be your IPv4 address which we just used. Press save and you can close that. Next, you can open the server and you're pretty good to go. It'll create a new world, and if you ever want to change the world, you can just slide in some new data packs or whatever the world is, download a world file and you can slide it in and it'll work as normal. As you can see, the server's now booting. It's preparing the new world because it's just creating a world now, and once this is done, you can join your server. If your friends want to join the server, all you have to do is search up what's my IP. From here, copy this and add :25565 to the end of it or whatever your port is. Then send that to your friends, but only your friends, otherwise they can actually track where you are and they know where you live. That's just how IPs work. Just don't send that to anyone you don't trust or don't know, because that will lead them to your house or your address or your general area. There is a workaround it. I'll try to figure that out and make a video on that if I do find a way. But for now, you can join your server, enter that information into the server address bar, and you should now be able to join the server and your friends can join you. Wonderful. So if this video did help you in any way, be sure to give it a like. It really helps out the channel and it really just helps me to make more content like this. As always, I'm TechBiz and I'm out.